Hi children! Today we are going to tackle about ornamental gardening. Our country is basically an agricultural one. It is rich in land, water, and other resources. Many Filipinos are engaged in agricultural activities like farming, gardening, livestock, and raising, fish culture, and also others. But before we proceed to the definition of ornamental gardening, let us first define what is gardening. Gardening is one livelihood activity, includes raising trees and fruit trees, ornamental plants, medicinal and herbal plants, fruits, vegetables, and other root crops. There are two types of outdoor gardening. We have ornamental gardening and vegetable gardening. When you say ornamental gardening, this includes raising different plants for decorative purposes. On the other hand, we have vegetable gardening. This includes raising different vegetables, fruits, and other crops. Importance of ornamental gardening. First, it can be a therapeutic activity as it gives joy and fulfillment by seeing plants grow into full bloom. 2. It beautifies the surrounding. It also keeps the body active, healthy, and productive. Another thing is it can be a source of livelihood and an occupation itself. Thus, it can be a source of income for the family. It is also an interesting and an enjoyable activity, especially when planting an array of plants with beautiful flowers, leaves, and the like. We have different kinds of ornamental garden. First, we have container garden. These are ornamental plants grown in containers like clay pots, rubber or plastic boxes, and even in recyclable cans or in recyclable plastic bottles. These are examples of container garden. Aside from that, we have formal flower garden. This consists of flower beds laid out in balanced and regular arrangement. So here is an example of a flower garden. Hmm, does it look nice? Beautiful. Next, aside from that, we also have informal flower garden. It consists of beds of flowers arranged in casual and irregular manner, just like this. Next, we have rock garden. This is a very popular type of garden in front of houses, commercial buildings, resorts, hotels, and condominiums, and the like. It's so beautiful. Another kind of ornamental garden is the water garden. This is a body of water, usually a pool or a man-made pond in which plants that live in water are grown. For example, the water lilies, lotus, and the like. Here are some of the popular household ornamental plants. We have begonia. We also have chrysanthemum, carnation. We have dahlia. This one, I know you are familiar with this one. This is fern. This one's beautiful. I know you know this one. This is gumamela. This is mayana. I know you know this one. This is very good. This is oregano. And our national flower, sampaguita. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates and new videos. Good day!